So every morning I'm looking to make my day's money. I'm looking to find a market that's going to break and have a nice move in the morning. Now I'm always looking for a minimum of £500 profit as quick as possible. Now that is a minimum, guys. Some days I'm getting 3.5 grand, some days I'm getting more, some days I'm getting less. But if I can go and make, if you could go and make £500 before 10 a.m. every morning, and remember, if you're in the UK here, you're spread betting the markets, so it's all tax-free profits. If you can make £500 minimum before 10 a.m. every day, for some people that is life-changing. Okay. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to target markets, and in this case it was the Aussie dollar yesterday. The Aussie dollar had a big downtrend from July. Now this is the 1 hour time frame of the Aussie dollar. I don't tend to trade the Aussie dollar. Do you know what? I don't care what I'm trading. I want to trade a market that's going to have a move. As a day trader, I need the market to move. When I'm saying market, I mean price. I need the price to move on a chart. All right, and that's where I want to take my signal and get into the trade. So my scanner gives me the markets that are setting up for a move in the morning. Now this is yesterday's morning session, and you can see that the Aussie, this is the 1 hour time frame, we make this double bottom here. The momentum on our storyteller starts to turn up, and we literally come into the 8 a.m. morning and we're green on the tracks, we're green on the PTS, and we go higher. That is a buy signal for me. It is going up. I want to buy that market, and yesterday I was in and out of it, you know, all morning session. Then we get into the afternoon session, okay, and then I hold some with a trade in the evening time while I was actually watching the football, watching Manchester United get beat against Newcastle again. Man United getting beat too often for their fans, I would imagine, this season. And then I wake up the next morning, here we are into the next day, and I'm banking my profits, guys, okay? So I'm banking my profits with a nice profitable trade. But it's that morning move that I'm looking for. In this case, I didn't even need to do the morning move in the Aussie dollar. Now the Aussie dollar here has started to roll over. Okay, let me show you why it's starting to roll over. If we go up to a bigger time frame, now you should always, as a day trader, look at the bigger time frames. I enter most of my trades on a 2-minute and 5-minute time frame, but I'm always looking at the bigger time frame charts. In this case scenario, it's a 4-hour time frame. Resistance and support are key in your trading, especially in the FX market. So over here, 6445 is a major hot zone. Look where the price hit today, right up there, and it's dropped 30 points. If you didn't know this area was here, you'd be buying it. Somebody's bought the market because the candlestick is traded right up there. All right, so be aware of prior support and resistance. Look for the hot markets in the morning. Don't limit yourself to just trading the DAX. Look for other markets like the Aussie dollar. Some of these other currency pairs can have really nice moves in the London European session.